This is the HP Deskjet 2720 3-in-1 printer. So this printer is 3-in-1. It can print and make a photocopy, and then you can also scan with this printer. So I'll be showing you how to make use of this printer correctly. So first of all, you want to ensure that the cable is connected to a power source, and then you press this power button to turn it on. So the button will blink for a while, and after the blinking stops, then the printer will turn on correctly. So while we are waiting for the printer to turn on, then here, this is a tray where the printout will come out from. And then right now the printer has been turned on, and then you will see that we're having 0 here and this error sign here. So that error sign is showing that there is no paper in this printer now. So you have to pull out this tray. This is where you put the papers, and once you put the papers, this sign will disappear. So now that I've put the paper in the printer, then we can see that the paper that is showing error sign there is no longer there. And next is where we have this ink bar. So this is showing, since it is a colored printer, this is black and this is colored. So the black is full bar because there is ink, the ink is full, and the colored is empty because there is no even cartridge in the printer. So with this printer, it is possible, even though it is black and colored printer, even though you don't have the colored ink, it will still work. So this is where the ink used to be. When you open this tray, then it will automatically comes out by itself. So to remove this cartridge, just press it down a little bit, then you pull it out. So this is the black 305 cartridge for this printer. So to fix it back, you put it in gently and press it in, and it is well fixed. Now this is the colored printer, this is the colored cartridge, and this is how it looks like as well. So also fix it the same way. You pull it in and press it gently inside, then you close the tray. So now I will remove this colored and make use of this black alone. It will still work. So once I close the tray, then you come back here, and before you start using it, then you allow it to load correctly. After loading, then you can start whatever you have in mind to do with the printer. So I was making a photocopy as a sample now. So I want to make a photocopy of this document, and then I close the tray. After pasting the paper gently, this is the correct head, following this icon there, then you set it correctly, close it gently, and here is where you press to make a photocopy. This is the button to photocopy black, and this is the button to make a colored photocopy. So since I only have the black ink cartridge inside, so I will press on this, and while I press this, I want you to watch this 0. As I press, it will tell me I want to make a copy, 1 copy. If I press it twice, it will make 2 copies of this document, and you can press it many number as much as you want, then it's going to print out the document for you in the numbers you press. And look at how clear the printer is printing out. It's possible also that whenever you have instructed this printer to make a printout, let's say I press this to print 5 times, and I want to quickly cancel it, even though it has started printing, then I'll click on this cancel button to cancel everything and to bring out an empty paper. So you can always cancel whatever you press to print if it is a mistake. Now the next thing I will be showing you how to do is how to scan a document with this printer. So to scan a document, you need a laptop, and you want to ensure your laptop is connected with the printer using this kind of cable. So on your laptop, you search for the scan app on your app. Go to the search bar and look for scan. Every system has this scan app on it. So then you go ahead and open this scan app. While the app is opening, you want to ensure you have a document you want to scan on this flat screen. Then on your laptop, you come here to new scan. Once you click on new scan, you have this option here that want to ensure your system is connected to the printer. Then next, you want to make these settings. So this is the printer we want to use for scanning, and this is where the scanning file will be saved to. And here you can select whether you want to scan in color or black and white or gray. So I'm selecting color for this sake. And here, this is the file type. You want to ensure you save it as JPEG, JPG file, which is a picture file. And then here you can now click here to preview. So on this, while you press preview on your system, if you touch your printer, you feel it's moving. And if I open it slightly, you can see something is moving there. And then we'll have the preview of the file we are scanning on our tray. So if you need to crop, then you can crop it from here, and after cropping, then you click on scan. Then you have this progress bar showing you the progress of this scanning, and let's see how it is scanning. Below you can see the light going slowly, so you allow it to complete, and once it completes, then it will preview it for you, and you can now come to this option to save this picture. So now you want to save it on your desktop and put a name. If this is a date of birth, I'll put the name and then click on save. Then let me go out of this and look for my scan document. This is the scan document here. So this is how to scan. So I've shown how to make a photocopy with this printer, and now I've shown how to scan. Then the third one is how to print on this printer. So let me open this document and show how the printout looks like. So let me print out this page. Control P on the printer on the laptop. So once you press Ctrl P, then you find yourself on this page, and you want to check here for the correct printer, that this printer is ready to print. And lastly, you click on print. And once you click on print, then the printer will respond by printing out this page, and you will surely hear the sound once it starts to print this page. See, the printout is out already, and look at how neat the printer is printing out any copy. So this is how to make use of this paper. In the next videos, I'll also show you how to refill all of this ink once the ink have been exhausted. So this is the ink refill, and in the next video I will be showing you how to refill this ink in the cartridge. Thank you. See you in the next video.